On October 14, 2023, LAPD officers faced a dangerous encounter in the heart of downtown Los Angeles. Around 1:30 a.m., they were flagged down about a man armed with a knife near South Broadway and 7th Street. The suspect, 47-year-old Earl Callier, refused repeated commands to drop the knife, even after being struck by less lethal rounds. He ran toward a group of pedestrians, then charged directly at an officer, forcing police to open fire. What you're about to see is the intense moment captured on body cam as officers tried to stop the threat before anyone else got hurt.
Hey, brother, drop the knife.
I can make the backup.
Male suspect is currently on it's a black male wearing a white shirt, stripes, gray pants, armed with a knife. Currently on the corner of Broadway and 7th.
Anyway, Saturday, 128, so looking at backup area supervisor. On a 450 miles a night, Broadway, South of 7th, and all black, white, stripe, shirt, and green pants.
What's up? We'll go for it. Go ahead, go ahead. Go ahead.
Drop it! Drop it! Drop the knife! 61, foot pursuit, 415 out knife, northbound Broadway towards 6th Street. Now heading eastbound 6th Street.
Hey, get on the ground!
Drop the knife! I got it. 61, we're gonna be continuing eastbound 6th Street towards Spring. Get out of the way! Get out of the way! Get out of the way! Right outside! Hit him, dude! Stop! Fuck! 61, officer, need help. You good? Where's the knife? I'll put it for you.
Load that 40. Hey, drop the knife. Hey, get behind cover, dude. Hey, drop the knife. Get away, dude. Hey. Get any closer, you're gonna get tased. Hey, do we have a crime? Secure my car. Stay behind cover. Hit him. Hey, hit him with the 40. Hit him with cover. 40. Hey, drop it. Drop the knife. Hey, good. Stop. Hey, get on the ground.
Drop the knife.
On the ground. Watch it. Cover.
Where's the knife? I'll put hands. Hands, right?
Yeah.
Hey, hold up. Grab him. Roll over. Grab his other arm. I got it.